the best angle. I should be on the other side.
Right on. Oh, what's right there? Smooth move.
That's why you don't do it.
Lucky you.
That was a good save, though.
I know. Oh, it's worth it. It's fun.
You look like a cartoon character.
Yeah.